Last time on Island ADV.
The plan today is to head and make our way up west a little bit. Just don't go sideways. We're going sideways. How you doing, Foxy? Doing okay, buddy? Let's have a look at you. Well, tires look inflated. How's the alignment? Oh yeah. Takes more to knock you out of the alignment, buddy, doesn't it? All the non-important stuff survived. Anyway, we are back on the trail. But what we're going to do is we're going to head up to Cape Egmont, and I think what I'll do is I'll ride up the highway there, and I got to pick up some supplies anyway. But the plan is to go find Cape Egmont Lighthouse and to check out some awesome areas up there. I was looking on the maps like I do normally, and I found a cool road called Forestry Road. Now, I'll tell you right away, you had me with forest. So we're going to go check that out. I'll get some supplies, and I think what we'll do, maybe we'll pick this up just outside of Miscouche at Slemon Park. All right, until then, Island Riders, let's get at her, Foxy. Like we're getting close to what would be a forestry road, I think, folks. Alright, we want this right here, and after this we're looking for another right onto St. Raphael Road. I think this is it. We'll have to check though. If that's it, then we got a rough ride ahead of us. Alright, Island Riders, that's it. It says no exit, but let's put that sign to a test, huh? Done it in the past. There's wheel tracks going in. Stay frosty through here. It is called Forestry Road, but all the cut sign is as old as get out. Could end real quick, actually. It's already a little bit sloppy. This would be great in the fall because all of this would be wide open. Yeah, back tire's slipping out good. Doesn't seem too bad though. It seems trafficked. Let's get up over this rut and we'll see here. Oh man. Let's get up out of that. Yeah, this is a sloppy little bit, isn't it? But this is it right now, this part of the season. All these little watery holes, they don't dry out anymore. They just stay sloppy. And it looks like it gets sloppier. I feel like we might be at the lowest part of the grade too, but oh yeah, look at that swamp. Walk it. The four-wheeler came through here recently. Coming up along the side. And the side is solid. We'd be slipping it though. Old heap of junk. It's deep, but it ain't bad, you know what I mean? Like, we can get through that. It's more of the same, but I think we got her. Take her one obstacle at a time. It's deep for sure. It's not too bad. Line goes left here. And again. And another one. She's deep. She wants it. Oh. Wants the bike. Can't have it. Alright, we can get back through that. A lot of this stuff, eh? Oh, there we go. Aha, you know what this is. This is Evangeline ATV Club. That's exactly what this is. Wild. Alright, what do? Do we go through to Richmond? Or do we go Mount Carmel? Oh man. We could go to the ATV Club. Where do we go, Island Riders? I think we go to the club, I think. That takes us in the direction we want to go, pretty sure. Let's take a look at the maps. And, whoa, or let's take a look at the drones. Alright, so this is the road that it goes to the ATV trail, and it looks like it's a straight shot. And I don't know if you can see it or not, but there's the water out there, so that's where the Cape is. So that's the best direction to get us back to Cape Egmont. Now, if we take a look over at this other side here. Now this is much more of an easier ride, less questions on this one. Looks like a grade gets a little bit lower there, as you can see the swamp in the middle, right? But it doesn't affect the trail too much. That'll still get us in the right direction, but I think it's a less interesting ride. I think the plan's going to be to take and go back towards wherever that ATV trail is, and then double back along through these trails and see what we can find. The goal ultimately is to get to that blue water out there, but we'll see how it shakes out. Already it's been a pretty awesome ride so far. Where we came from, where we can go. Oh, Time Valley. We can go say hi to Dylan. Yeah, this is definitely the Evangeline Trail Club. Where we were when we were doing that little wrecked up west. You can tell this is their Route 200, I guess. Evangeline ATV, right? Okay. Let's see where this takes us, and then where the next road takes us, and then the next road, and the next road, and the next road. The drone tells us this is a straight shot, and I can see people have been doing work lately to get rid of the mud, so I'm not gonna say it. I'm not gonna say it. Anyway, you know, one thing I wanted to talk about while I was out here exploring through the woods, as we do, is a bit about, like, you know, the time of year that it is. I mean, right now, while we're watching this, it's a beautiful sunny day and we're just cresting into fall. You can see the leaves are beginning to change, and that's a wonderful ride season. But as of the day we're all watching this, we're in deep into winter probably. Just the way the float works out and how I schedule all of the video releases. It'll be like February probably. Ooh, a little slippy. So that's a pretty rough month. Mental health wise. Yeah, get out of there. Yeah. So, you know, I can tell you right now, I'm actually not feeling my best, which is why I really wanted to get out here, you know, and do this little bit of a solo ride. You know, I've been doing a lot of group rides and stuff with Brandon, and, you know, Witches River, which is probably through now. I'm still editing that, actually. That was a big group ride with Clyde and Brandon. But sometimes you need these solo rides, right? Sometimes you need to head off into the woods on your own to find your own space, to just vent out your brain space. And, you know, I'm not a big guy about talking about how I feel, and I don't want to add to the stigma of people not talking about how they feel or anything like that. But that's just not who I am. I mean, but when I get out here and I do this kind of thing, you know, I really, really enjoy just venting everything out. And I guess, well, maybe I am a guy who talks about it because I've talked to all you guys about it, I guess. But it always puts a smile on my face. It always gets me out here enjoying life and smiling. And that's what it's all about. So I really hope in some way that you guys are, you know, kind of virtually transported out here to this beautiful sunny Prince Edward Island day with me and the Silver Fox, and I hope it's able to do what it does for me to you. And if you're feeling down, or if you're feeling like if February's got you and its clutches, well, you know, I hope me and Fox can break you free a little bit. Sit here and enjoy the wonderful day on Prince Edward Island. Anyway, that's enough philosophical talk. We got some mud to deal with here by the looks of things. Holy, that's not too bad. I mean, really, when you look at it, it's all just like firm compact on the bottom, he says, right before he gets stuck and has to call Dylan to come get him out of it. Yeah, no problem, no problem. Ooh, I stood up for that last one. Goals for the year, and it actually felt a little easier. Let's see. Looks like left side's this side. Cool. To the right. Right on. Now we'll go through this one. Yeah. There we go. Gotta get a little buddy, right? But man, look at all the yeah, look at this. You can see them here. This is a good example. See right there? They're trenching out all the water, pumping it all out. Man, what a good club, eh? Oh, we got the new Shakos now. Evangeline Trail. They still get us yet. All right. What a cool little trail, though. Huh? Let's try to stay standing for this. Goals. Slow, you know, you start slow. This section I haven't been on. This is new route unlocked. Oh yeah. Four corners, eh? Cannontown Road and St. Timothy. Cape Egmont's still a little further that way. Let's head straight across and see what we can find. I didn't expect it to be this traily today. Is that a word? Traily? Let's stay out of the rightmost crazy. This is let's It's a little swampy, nothing too crazy though. Oh yeah. Look at this. Go careful here. This is rough old business KLR 650 off-road style. Oh, we love it. One of my old vibrations in the dash is coming back. Not the chrono parts dash, but just the... Oh, that was deep on the back end. What do we have here? No ATVs. And this is the clubhouse. All right, right on, right on. Cool. Rad. All right. What a neat little trail. That's awesome. And this should tie us back onto Cannontown Road, maybe? All right. Super, super, super cool. Man, what a good little spot. Today was all about finding really cool trails. If you're looking for a drop-in point for Evangeline ATV Club, that's where you want to go. Anyway, I think what I'm going to do is that we're going to track up to Cape Egmont and try to get at that lighthouse. All right, Cape Egmont. Cap Egmont in French. We want to go left here. Left. The ATV trail picked up to the right. It's just me today. I'm just doing a solo ride, so as much as I want to go grab a hold of Route 240 right there, I'm gonna hang back because I'd really rather do that trail with a buddy. I mean, you guys saw it. We were slipping, sliding, falling, wiping out all over the place. And there was 3 of us. Just old me. I don't think I'd be able to get myself out of any kind of an emergency without having to call in the cavalry, which I'm not interested in doing today. Today's about all being chill. Just having a chill ride, air out the brain space, get back into that real Dowski mood. I think I'm there, Island Riders. I've definitely got the smile going. All right, let's see, where are we at next? Make it straight through until we hit the water. Looks like we found it, folks. Welcome to Cape Egmont Lighthouse. Well, that was a really fun afternoon, Island Riders. I'm glad you guys were able to make it out on the adventure with me here today. Thanks a lot for coming along. I always love it when you guys are out here and adventuring along together on the Silver Fox out here, looking for what we can find at the other side of the red dirt roads. And it looks like we found something really pretty again. Those cormorants are really liking that spot. That's a neat rock structure, eh? I'm glad we were able to catch it when the tide was as low as it is, or we might not have seen it. Anyway, I hope you're having a great February. I hope you're having a great winter. No matter when this video is published or when you watch it. If you need to pick me up, I hope that me and Fox were able to bring you along and give you what you needed to get you through the day. Or maybe get you through your week. That's what it is all about here, folks. Trying to put some positivity back, trying to, find some sort of adventure for all of us. Anyway, until the next time that we're on our bikes together, until the next time we find adventure together, ride safe. Take care, Island Riders.